Hey there, festive friends! Are you ready to deck the halls with some unique Christmas decorations? Well, today's video is all about creating magical holiday vibes using glass bottles. Yep, you heard it right, glass bottles. They might just be your new favorite holiday decor item. We'll dive into a ton of cool ideas, advice, trends, and some pro tips to help you elevate your Christmas decorating game. So, let's get started. Glass bottles come in various shapes and sizes, allowing for diverse decorative possibilities. They can be painted, frosted, or adorned with accessories like ribbons, glitter, or lights, catering to various themes and styles of decoration. Repurposing glass bottles for decorations aligns with sustainability goals. Reusing materials reduces waste and minimizes environmental impact, making it an eco-conscious choice for environmentally aware decorators. Glass bottles' transparency allows light to pass through, creating beautiful effects when coupled with Christmas lights. Their reflective surfaces enhance the sparkle and illumination, adding a magical touch to the holiday ambience. Collecting glass bottles for decorations can be cost-effective. Rather than purchasing new ornaments, repurposing bottles from household waste or recycling centers offers a budget-friendly way to create unique and personalized decorations. Crafting with glass bottles encourages creativity. DIY enthusiasts can transform bottles into stunning centerpieces, candle holders, vases, or hanging ornaments by painting, etching, or adding embellishments. This hands-on approach adds a personal touch to Christmas decor. Glass exudes a timeless elegance, complementing various decor styles, whether rustic, modern, or traditional. Its classic appeal ensures that decorations remain relevant year after year, adding a touch of sophistication to holiday displays. Glass bottles possess inherent beauty, adding an aesthetic charm to Christmas decor. Whether arranged as a centerpiece, hung as ornaments, or repurposed as luminaries, their sleek and shiny appearance elevates the overall festive ambience. Who doesn't love twinkling lights during the holidays? Fill clear glass bottles with fairy lights or LED string lights to create dazzling displays. Arrange them on shelves, windowsills, or as a centerpiece for a warm and inviting atmosphere that screams Merry Christmas. Another stunning idea is using glass bottles as vases for fresh or faux evergreen branches. Think pine, cedar, or eucalyptus. These arrangements add a natural and festive touch to your home decor. Mix and match bottle shapes and sizes for an eclectic look. Why not make an advent calendar with glass bottles? Fill small bottles with treats, messages, or tiny trinkets for each day leading up to Christmas. Arrange them on a board or hang them from a tree. It's a fun and interactive way to count down to the big day. Get crafty by turning glass bottles into personalized ornaments. You can paint them, fill them with holiday-themed trinkets like miniature ornaments or colorful beads, and hang them on your tree. It's a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your decorations. Create a cozy ambience with frosted glass bottle luminaries. Use a mixture of glue and Epsom salt or white paint to coat the bottles, giving them a frosted appearance. Place tea light candles inside for a soft, enchanting glow that sets the perfect mood for a festive evening. Here's a heartwarming idea: write down your favorite Christmas memories, wishes, or messages on small scrolls and place them inside clear glass bottles. Display these bottles around your home as a sentimental and decorative touch. For a whimsical twist, create your own snow globe bottles. Glue miniature holiday figurines or trees to the bottle cap, fill the bottle with water and glitter, then seal it shut. Give the bottle a shake, and voila! Your very own mini winter wonderland. Create stunning centerpieces by adorning the tops of bottles with festive decorations. Think bows, ribbons, or miniature wreaths. Combine these bottles with candles or greenery for a beautiful focal point on your dining table or mantel. Experiment with colored glass bottles to add a pop of vibrancy to your decor. You can find colored glass bottles in various shades and shapes. Mix and match them to create eye-catching displays. Fill them with fairy lights or small ornaments for added charm. If you're feeling particularly artistic, transform glass bottles into a unique piece of wall art. Arrange them in patterns or shapes on a wooden board or directly on the wall. Add paint, lights, or other decorative elements to make a visually striking statement piece. String together glass bottles to create a decorative garland. You can hang these garlands across windows, door frames, or along the mantelpiece. Add accents like beads, bows, or small ornaments to make them even more festive. For a touch of elegance, place floating candles in clear glass bottles filled with water. Add a few drops of food coloring to the water for a colorful effect. These luminous centerpieces will create a serene ambience during your holiday gatherings. Get crafty and make wreaths using the bottoms of glass bottles. Arrange them in a circular shape, securing them together with glue or wire. Add greenery, ornaments, or ribbons to complete your unique bottle wreath. Hang it on your door for a creative twist on a classic decoration. Hosting a holiday gathering? Use glass bottles as table number holders. Simply insert number cards or small signs into the mouth of the bottles. It's a chic and functional way to guide your guests to their seats. Get innovative with your gift-giving by using glass bottles to present edible treats. Fill them with homemade hot cocoa mix, layered cookie ingredients, or flavored oils. Add a festive label and ribbon for a thoughtful and delightful gift. Let's kick things off with a simple yet charming idea: bottle brush trees in glass bottles. These tiny trees come in various colors and sizes. Arrange them in different sized bottles to create a whimsical winter wonderland on your mantle or as a centerpiece on your dining table. You can even add faux snow or glitter inside the bottles for that extra magical touch. While variety is great, the trend of minimalistic decor is also prevalent. Embrace simplicity by using a few carefully selected glass bottles as focal points in your decoration scheme. Incorporate seasonal themes like rustic Christmas, winter wonderland, or vintage holiday into your glass bottle decorations. Use elements like burlap, jute twine, or metallic accents to match your chosen theme. Group bottles together in clusters of odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, for a visually appealing arrangement. Vary heights and textures to create a more dynamic display. Consider adding personal elements like family photos, handwritten notes, or heirloom ornaments inside the bottles to evoke nostalgia and warmth. Safety reminder: when repurposing glass bottles, make sure to clean them thoroughly to remove any residue. Handle glass carefully and avoid using damaged bottles to prevent accidents. In the fast-paced world of Christmas decor, trends evolve, and new ideas emerge constantly. Don't hesitate to let your creativity flow and put your spin on these suggestions to make them uniquely yours. By incorporating glass bottles into your holiday decor, you're not only adding a touch of charm, but also contributing to sustainability by repurposing materials. Remember, the beauty of decorating with glass bottles lies in its versatility and endless possibilities. So, gather your bottles, unleash your imagination, and let the festive magic begin. Upcycling glass bottles aligns with eco-friendly trends. Consider using recycled bottles or repurposing old ones for your decorations. Don't be afraid to mix different bottle shapes, sizes, and colors. Embracing variety adds visual interest to your decor. Adding a personal touch to your decorations is a significant trend. DIY projects allow for creativity and uniqueness, making your decor truly one of a kind. If you're using candles or working with glass, be cautious and ensure safety measures to prevent accidents. In conclusion, glass bottles offer a versatile and budget-friendly way to spruce up your home for the holiday season. Whether you're into DIY projects or prefer a simpler approach, there's a glass bottle Christmas decoration idea for everyone. I hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring. If you try any of these out or have your own unique ideas, don't forget to share them in the comments below. Remember, the holidays are all about spreading joy and creating beautiful memories. Thanks for tuning in, and Merry Christmas, everyone! See you in the next video. Cheers!